And it's the Downy Woodpecker pecking at the suet cake. I zoom in on 3.5, 3.6. Yeah, the woodpeckers love that suet cake. Double cage with some on each side of it. The one they're pecking on has the newer suet cake in it we just put in yesterday. Because when the red robin comes bopping along, a couple more birds going up to the green feeder. That I gotta put my glasses on. Let me try not to lose sight of this Downy Woodpecker. That's what that one is. I just moved it right. Duh. Yeah, he's showering down on that suet cake.
Who the hell are you? And it's impossible to zoom in your camera that much.
No, it is possible.
He has a good camera, Danny. Look at the lens he has on.
I have a telescopic lens on it.